Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix MSI Afterburner not working. All the settings locked out. As you can see right here, I can't actually overclock, I can't underclock, I can't do anything. All the settings are grayed out. So this issue is because, the reason behind it is because MSI Afterburner doesn't support integrated graphics card. So if you're on a laptop that has 2 GPU, sometimes when you open it, it's going to, the first GPU that is shown in MSI Afterburner is your integrated GPU. So to fix this issue, you have to select the GPU that is supported by MSI Afterburner. So you click on this triangle button right here, the GPU selection panel. You click on it. Here you're going to select the GPU that is actually supported by MSI Afterburner. In my case, I'm going to click on GPU 1. As you can see right here, I can now overclock my GPU. I can now overclock or underclock my GPU. All the settings has been unlocked. So that's how you fix this issue. That's all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.